Dear children, now we are going to do that is subtraction of zero ending numbers, that is tens, hundred and thousand from the minor one, from other minor one, and this is a short way to write down the answer without your paper and pencil. You can calculate this in your mind, that is it is like that mental maths and how to calculate the number. Okay, let me do that is here. The 6282 minus 10. Okay, and other number that is 5175 minus 10, and like the 6810 minus 10. Okay, let me do in a simple way. That is here that is all these numbers is a 10. So you should focus on the tens place number itself only. Okay, simply you can do that is 6282 and minus 10 that is you have to no need of subtracting ones, tens, hundred and thousand column as a regrouping or any other previous technique. It is easy way. You should focus only the tens place number. Here the tens place number is the ones, tens, hundred like that. So this is a tens place number here itself. So now you can in addition you can write the next number of the tens place number here because of this subtraction manipulation. So you have to write down this before number, that is 8, that is before number, that is 7. So write down this 6272. Okay, and that is 5175 minus 10. You should focus on the number tens place number, that is 7. So you can write this number, you should write the before number. Okay, because of this minus 10. So focus this, you have to write down this before number, that is 6. So the answer will be 5165. Okay, and 6810 minus 10. Okay, focus on the tens place number here, that is 1, that is minus before number, that is before 1, that is 0. So you can, that is 68, that is 0 0. Okay, that is easy way of writing, that is subtraction of 10 without any paper and pencil. Okay, let me do next sum as a 100, same number. Okay, for subtraction of that is 100. Okay, so now we are going to do subtraction of 100. So you should focus on the 100 place. Okay, 100 place of the number. This is a ones, tens, hundred. So this is a 100 place number. So simply you can write down this because of the subtraction. You can write down this before number of those 100 place number. So here that is 2, that before number is 1, that is 6000, that is 182. Answer is 6282 minus 100 means that is 6182. Okay, and similar to that of here, should focus on this number 100 place number, that is a 1. So you can write the before ascender number, predecessor number. So that is before number, that is 0. So you can write 5075. So 5175 minus 100, answer will be 5075. Okay, and next focus on this 100 place number here. Number is 8. So you can write that is 6710. Okay, that is 6810 minus 100 means 6710. This is the answer. And here that is 1. So minus, that is 1 before number, that is 0. So write down this 2018. So 2118 minus 100, answer will be 2018. So no need of pen and paper calculation. You have to simply write down this answer directly. And let me move on to the next number, that is 1000. Okay, we can do the same number by changing only the subrahand. This is a minuend and this is a subrahand. Suppose you have to subrahand 1000. Okay, the answer will be how to write. Let me do now. Okay, so focus on this number, that is 1000. Okay, all underline this 1000 place number at all and write down this because of before 6, that is 5. So write down this 5282. Okay, and that is 6282 minus 1000, answer will be 5282. Okay, now 5, what comes before 5, that is 4. So write down this here, 4175. So 5175 minus 1000, answer will be 4175. Okay, and let me do this sum, that is 5 before numbers, that is 6, that is 5810. So 6810 minus 1000, answer will be 5810. And here 2118. So 2, that is the before number, that is 1, that is 118. That is 2118 minus 1000, answer will be 1180. So this is a simple way to write down the how to subtract the tens, 100, 1000 and from the minuend. Okay, and let me do next, that is a estimating sum, the estimating difference, as we learnt in our addition topic, that is estimation sum. Here we are going to do estimation difference. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me recap our rounding of numbers, nearest to 10, nearest to 100 and nearest 1000. Okay, and now we are going to do, that is estimation difference. Estimation difference, as we took in our addition topic, same, that is a basket contain, that is 370 apples and 920 oranges. How many total fruits are there? Okay, let me write the question, that a basket contains, okay, that is 370 apples, okay, and that is total amount, that is a basket contains total fruits of among this 370 or apples, and let me know the what are the amount of the remaining fruits. Okay, a basket contains different kinds of fruits, that is apple and oranges. Okay, that is a basket contain 370 apples and total fruits or that is 920. Okay, so a basket contain 370 apples and total fruits are 920. How many oranges are there? How many oranges are there? This is a real life sum, that is 2 contents are we know that, and one we can't, that is you don't know the number of oranges. Okay, can you understand this? That is a basket containing total fruits 920, among this 370 only apples, and you should calculate the number of oranges. We do not subtract the actual numbers. Let me subtract the estimation of numbers. That should be, that is 920. Okay, 920 is the actual number, and here actual number, that is 370. That is, you have to subtract this number 0 here, you can't subtract the 2, and this is would be 8, and regroup that 8 hundreds and 12 ones, 12 tens. So 12 minus 7, that is 5, and here 8 minus 3, that is 5. This is the actual sum, 550, actual difference amount. This is the number of oranges in that basket. But for estimation difference, you have to rounding off this number, that is 920. This is a tens place number is lesser than 5. So you can write this, that is 900. Okay, that is rounded off the nearest 10. Okay, because of here, that is the tens place number, that is 2. That is less than 5. So write down this. Okay, that before, that is 900, nearest to 10. And that is a 370, that is 7 is more than 5. So you can write down this 400. This is the estimation amount as we did in our addition topic also. And recap your rounding off topic. That is rounding off nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1000. That means you can check out this tens place number, whether it is lesser than 5, that is 900. This is 7 is more than 5, that is the nearest 10, that is 400. Okay, that is the nearest 100. So 3 plus 1, because this is a more than 5. So nearest 10 means that is 400. Now you should subtract this number, that is 0 and 0, 9 minus 4, that is 5. There is a difference somewhat, it is closure number, that is 550 and 500. This is used in for, that is time saving method and easy way to calculation, and that is a estimation difference problem. So in your textbook, there are so many examples in your textbook, so do that, and you should know the rounding of the number, nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. And let me one more small topic, that is by checking of how to checking the subtraction sum, whether it is correct or not. By adding the difference and subtrahend, you can get the minuend. Okay, let me do the next problem. This is by checking of subtraction. Our topic is checking of subtraction. As we learnt in our properties of subtraction, I said that is we should calculate the minuend value by adding the difference and subtrahend. This is the same technique, how to check whether our subtraction is right or wrong. I will explain with example. That is here, that is 5000, okay, minus 3000, okay, equal to, that is 2000. Okay, 5000 minus 3000 equal to 2000. So here, this is a minuend and this is a subtrahend and this is a difference. Okay. Your subtraction, whether the answer is correct or not, you have to, by that is addition of this difference and subtrahend, you can get this number. Your subtraction sum is correct. Okay, by this doing, you can do here, that is 2000 plus, that is subtrahend 3000. The answer will be the 5000. So this sum is, our subtraction sum is correct. That is by checking of subtraction, you can add, that is our formula. To prove the formula, minuend is equal to subtrahend plus difference. This is by checking method. To prove your subtraction sum is whether it is right or wrong. By simply you can add the difference with subtrahend. If you get the minuend correct, your answer, your calculation is correct. Okay, somewhat you have to, when you add this difference and subtrahend, you can't get the minuend. Somewhat you did any mistake in the calculation. Okay, by simple way of checking subtraction. So today we have discussed the terms of subtraction and the properties of subtraction and without regrouping subtraction sums, and what is regrouping and how to subtract different column, that is ones, tens, 100 like that, and real life application in subtraction, and the that is subtract, you have to subtract tens, 100,000, how to do in your mind without any pencil or paper, that is mental maths technique. Okay, and finally that is the estimation difference. We won't subtract the real number but rounded off the number and subtract the answer. Okay, that also we have learnt the estimation difference. And finally this is a simple technique to check out your subtraction is whether it is right or wrong. Simply adding the difference and subtract, you can get the mind back. Okay, so we have discussed so many subdivisions in subtraction, children. Thank you.